Let's go! It is time for our Ipsy versus Macy's battle today. This is going to be the battle of the boxes to see who has the best box for March 2025. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. I am so happy that each and every one of you are here with me today. We are going to be doing our famous versus battle today between the Ipsy Glam bag and the Macy's beauty box for March. Now, if you've never seen this video before, we are going to do, of course, an unboxing of each of them, but I additionally will have links for each subscription. So if you are interested in purchasing one or the other or both, they will all be down below in that description box for you. Just as a quick refresher, last month in February, I thought Macy's killed it. Their box was so good. It was a great comeback because starting the year off in January, it was not so great. So far, we have seen Ipsy win in January, Macy's took it in February, and now here we are in March, and we're gonna find out who's the winner this time. So we're gonna start with the Ipsy Glam bag first, and inside, ooh, we have pink. Look at this gorgeous watermelon color. So every month you will receive a free glam bag from Ipsy, and this is basically their free bonus gift that they will give you. So for the month of March, we have this gorgeous, oh, it's strawberry. It's not watermelon, but it does give me watermelon vibes, even with the green, but it is strawberry. But that does make sense though, because strawberries are red and then they have the little green leaves on top. So you got the cute little green zipper. I love it. You guys know me, I'm all for curation and themes, and I just love that little extra touch or effort. So this is done really well. The charm, oh my gosh, so cute. Love it. Does it say Ipsy on it? It doesn't. So the strawberry is on both sides, and it's not actually listed as Ipsy. The only thing you see is this little tag over here. And then this is the, what do they call this again? It's like, I want to say Rafiki, and that's not right. It's like Raffida or something like that. I forget what this material is called, but it's very summer oriented, and it kind of gives you that basket design as well. So very cute. I love it. It's definitely making me happy. All right, let's get into our March products. So this is what happens when I open and I see it before I finish my sentences, you guys. But oh gosh, there's more strawberries. This is awesome. So this is the first product. That's what I was trying to do, is introduce this. And it is a brush. And look at it, has strawberries on it. It's like the exact same design as the pendant or the charm that was on the bag. I feel like this was done intentionally. Like maybe this was, you know, a collab or a thought here. So the brush is by SL Miss Glam, and I always know because she puts these two rhinestones right up here. So I kind of love that identifying feature. And then this will be your angled brush here. So you can see that it's got a little bit of a curve. It's gonna give you that angle. It's great for highlighters. I don't know if I put any highlighter on today. I just now realized that. I think I forgot. Regardless though, you can put this on and do a quick sweep right up in here. And what's nice is that it does have that tapered point, so you're not getting too close to the eye, but you're still adding a little bit of that brightening effect. So the next item that we have in here is from Mark Anthony. This is a hair care product. It is their scalp and hair serum, which is designed to be an anti-breakage formula. So we have a travel size bottle here. This is what it looks like with the dropper. And it mentions that there's rosemary oil and caffeine inside of this product. You're able to put this on at the roots, and it will help to repair your hair, and it's also going to protect your scalp as well. It also mentions that it will give you some moisture as well to protect your hair from future breakage. It will smooth down frizz and boost shine for your hair. But it says it will not grow new hair. I was kind of wondering, because I don't know if you guys have seen this, or maybe it's just been on my feed a lot lately, but rosemary oil is like the latest thing to help grow hair. And I'm seeing it all over my feed that everyone's like, put rosemary oil on, you'll get your hair faster. And guys are using it for their beards. And I don't really know if I believe it works or not, but this product does say you shouldn't expect those results. So this is just something that I thought was fitting for the time. I've just seen it a lot, but I do think it's a nice amount of product. You can try this out. We have ½ an ounce. You could use it a couple of times. Considering this bag sends you a lot of samples, it's nice when they're larger samples because then you can actually try it and know if you like it or not. So I do like that. Now, the next item that I have in here is from Glow Recipe. Oh my gosh, I think this was my choice product. I mean, speaking of samples, I did not realize how small this was, or I didn't read, which it's probably more that answer than anything. But this is the Brightening Eye Gel Cream, and it features guava inside of it. 3 ml is what we have. So I love Glow Recipe, and I've talked about this before, that they have increased their prices significantly. I mean, to me, they're getting to the point of like luxury beauty prices. And so when I see it, I'm like, yes, that's what I want in my bag. It's worth it for me to get it. So yeah, I'm glad I have this, but oh my gosh, it is a spot of a product. So this will focus on the under eye area. It's going to brighten it up and get rid of that tired, dull look. If you have dark circles, it will fight against that as well, but it also does have some moisture to it as well. I just said as well like 3 times. Anyways, you know what I mean. I feel off my game today. It's like I've never unboxed something before. Maybe I'm just really nervous about this battle. Next product that I have in here is a liquid foundation. Oh, I like this. I Lovey? Okay, I'm not sure on the brand name, but I like that we got a foundation, and this is 1/2 ounce again. So cruelty-free, it says budget-friendly on the back. Okay, I love that. This needs to be a thing. I'm just gonna start campaigning for this. So on the back, there's a little symbol, and it says budget-friendly, and you can see the coin with the hands. I feel like that needs to be on all of the products that actually are budget-friendly. That is great. So it's a long-lasting liquid foundation that gives you a matte coverage, and it says it's also going to be a high coverage formula as well. The shade that I have is beige 2, which I think is fine. I can absolutely work with this. And again, there is enough in here for me to really try this out. I mean, several times. Wait a minute. Hold on. I think this is actually my choice product. I don't think I chose the Glow Recipe. I'm pretty sure I went with this one instead. It looks more familiar. So this is from Sophia and Maybell, and it is the Finishing Powder. Vaguely remembered thinking we had a full-size product to choose this month, and I think that's what this is. So the shade is Porcelain Petal. It is a cruelty-free pan of powder, and you're able to use this to touch up any shiny spots. You can also set or lock in your makeup as well when you're done. So there is a mirror in here. It is just a compact you can take with, but it's a good size amount. It says it's 6.7 grams or 0.23 ounces. So I mean, I feel like I've said that a few times. At least we have enough product here to work with more than once to really know if we're gonna like it or not. Well, you already know I love this on the cuteness factor. I mean, this is a 10 on that scale. So again, if you would like to check out the Macy's subscription, I do have it listed down below for you. There is a link. If you sign up right now, you will receive the April box, but you have to order in the month of March in order to get that box. Once we get into April, so April 1st or after, they will send you the May box, which gosh, that feels like that's so far away. But just so you know, you have to sign up the month prior in order to get this subscription. So the theme for Macy's is ageless aces. Let's try that again. I thought it was gonna say acre, and then I was like, no, aches? No, I'm way off. Okay, the theme for March is Ageless Aces by Elizabeth Arden. So this is the card that you will receive here from Macy's. You can scan the QR code for details on the products in your box. Additionally, Macy's will send you a coupon that you can use on beauty products at their store or online. You guys can use this if you would like to. I don't need anything at the moment, but they will send you this code once a month. You just can't use it towards the subscription is the only thing. But I'm wondering if that means we have a takeover box. There's a chance everything in here could be from Elizabeth Arden, which is a good brand. So here's my bundle, and oh yeah, yes it is. This is Elizabeth Arden, a Macy's exclusive, our bestsellers beauty box. Enjoy this curated 6-piece collection of travel-ready skincare essentials, including an exclusive Macy's Gua Sha facial sculpting tool. So they did a takeover for March. We just had a takeover in January, but it didn't go so well in January for Macy's. It was kind of rough, you guys, so now I'm a little nervous. Okay, nervous, excited. I'm a mixture right now of everything. Look at how this is packaged. They just put all of, it's kind of cool and organized. So first official item that we have in our box today, this is going to be the free gift of sorts with the March box. So every month you will receive a free gift. It does vary, but this one will be the gua sha that they mentioned earlier, and it's still coming from Elizabeth Arden. This is a heavy tool. It feels like solid silver. It is just so heavy. So first up is her moisturizer. This is the Multi-Restorative Soft Cream. So this is 5 ml for this moisturizer, and they're all going to be on these cards as you saw. So the product will be inside, and this is what it will look like here. So they are a little bit smaller than what Ipsy gave us. I mean, Ipsy dang near doubled and tripled this. However, this is a very strong product. So it is designed to plump and firm your skin, leaving it re-energized and revitalized. This is powered by key skin essentials, and it is a potent formula that includes rice peptides to support collagen and to promote healthy looking skin. It also goes on to list some of the other ingredients and how strong they are, what they're going to do to replenish moisture, enhance firmness. I will say this is not a dollar store brand, right? This brand is very bougie, and in theory, there's a lot of science behind the brand, which is why I think they can charge those prices. I'm not a scientist, so I can't tell you all the ins and outs of that, but I do know they have a lot of patented formulas, this being one of those items. It's going to be hard to compare these two this month, because this one is just, you know what I mean? Like the brand is so much more so than what you're going to see with Ipsy. It's just going to be a challenge. But our next product that we have in here is the Rapid Skin Renewing Water Cream, and it is a brand new product, which I was kind of wondering because I don't remember seeing this before. So this one will help to smooth your skin out, and it says it's going to be boosted with ceramides. It will diminish fine lines and wrinkles, and it will even out texture and give you a youthful glow. So this one, it doesn't seem like this one is as complex as the last moisturizer. This one is more of, you know what I mean? It's not going to plump and reduce lines. This is more about hydration, repairing damaged skin. So it's a little bit different of a formula, but still 5 ml of product for this one. Oh, and we got even more moisture. So our third product is the Skin Perfecting Daily Moisturizer. 5 ml, once again. This one is a lightweight moisturizer that will give you glowing skin that is softer and smoother after using it. So it will give you a touch of brightness or glowiness, if you will. And this one will still give you that hydration. Oh, I think this one's their best seller. So if I'm not mistaken, this is the item that really put the brand on the map. Like this is their hero product. So this is their famous anti-aging serum, and it is their 2.0 version. Apparently there was a 1.0. I wasn't aware of that, but this is the 2.0 version. Now I'm curious to know what the difference is between the two. So it mentions that this is inspired by science. It is their iconic serum. It's supercharged with antioxidants and boosted by 10 powerful ingredients to defend against environmental issues and improve aging signs. So you'll notice a difference after 1 month. You'll see reduced lines, lighter dark spots. It's going to even out your skin's tone as well and make it firmer and brighter as well. So it's supposed to be like a multi-purpose and kind of do everything all in one product. So this one is also very expensive. I will say, if you've never tried Elizabeth Arden, this would be a great time to try it because you're not having to spend an arm and a leg. You would know if you like it or not. The only downside is since this is 5 ml of product, it's not enough to last you 30 days. And that's when they said you're going to see results. So it is a little hard because you'll just have to see if you like it and then potentially buy the full-size version, which could cost a lot. So you know what I mean? That is the only downside to expensive brands is they might work, but you have to invest to see. Last up for the Macy's box, we have the Retinol Ceramide Capsules. This one, again, surprise, it's from Elizabeth Arden. I know you're not really surprised. I just thought it was funny. This one is a sample size that we have, but there are 8 little capsules inside of this bottle. And then each one is designed to give you that retinol and that ceramide treatment. It will help to smooth out your skin, but dramatically give you younger looking skin as well. So even more so, it's going to be a stronger product because of the ingredients, that retinol that's in there. But this is what it will look like for your travel size here. I kind of wonder though if you would get better results by having her entire system, because I've always tried these just individually, you know what I mean? Just one here or there. But now having the whole system, I wonder if they would work well together and give you really great results. Maybe you would see results faster and you wouldn't have to wait a month because you do have all of the products. But then again, you don't know which one works or which one doesn't. I don't know. Maybe I'm overthinking this. I probably am. So that is everything for our Macy's Beauty Box for March. Comment down below, you guys, who won this month's battle. I have to say, I think this one might be a draw. It is very hard to compare these two this month because on one hand, you have got larger sizes. And like I said, it's not only just a little bit larger, it is triple the amount that you receive with Macy's. So I do feel like there is a point awarded to Ipsy for that. But on the other hand, I'm like, Elizabeth Arden is so much more expensive. It is not budget friendly. You know what I mean? That foundation from Ipsy was budget friendly. This brand, not so much. So I see the value there of having an expensive brand like that and being able to try out all of the products in the system. I do think even that gua sha is nicer than what I normally see for that tool. So I feel like they're both really good this month. They both have merit. I don't know if I can pick just one, but you guys comment down below. Tell me what do you think, and then maybe we'll just go with that for the winner. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all next month for our next Battle of the Boxes. So stick around, hit that subscribe button down below, and then you guys will be notified of when I upload that video. But until next time, beautifuls, take care, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!